Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. A few days ago I made a video for this ultimate speed car jump starter power bank with compressor, which you can see in the corner at the end of this video or in the description. It combines a jump starter, a power bank, an air compressor and LED light into one compact unit. It is an amazing device. I think you need to have this at your car for emergency use, at your motorcycle, wherever you want. For camping, it is your choice. But do you have the curiosity of how this device works? What parts it is made of? So today I am going to solve all that for you. So let's move on for disassembling. First of all, I will remove the hose, the jump lid, and at the base I need to remove these silicone pads. Underneath are the screws. And I need to remove these 4 screws. And there it is. Wow! Now let's see one by one what we have inside. So this is the compressor, this unit, the battery with a temperature sensor. The battery, it is a 12.8 volt, 3500 milliampere hours, 14.8 watt hours. Made 29 April 2024. The main board, connected the display with the buttons with this cable, the LED light here, here are the cables from the battery to the board, disconnect, and the compressor connected to the board. And of course we have the jump lead connection directly from the battery. So let's remove the battery. Come on. Double tape adhesive, quite strong. Okay, remove it. There it is. Now I'm not going to disassemble the battery for obvious reasons. And another cable goes from the main board to the compressor. 4 screws are holding the compressor at the plastic housing. I would like to remove these 4 screws. I need a precision screwdriver. And there is the compressor. Definitely I would like to see how it moves that. So it goes up and down, fast. Now you can see better and creating air. Now I'm not going to disassemble all the air compressor. I think now you're smarter, you know how it works. And we have one plastic at the front here, another plastic here with the LED, and this plastic lens, if I can call that lens, the rubber for the air compressor goes here. And of course we can't forget the main board. I'm not going to remove the main board. You can see very well how it looks. The cover for the jump lead. Perfect! Now you're smarter! And the storage for the valves. Now you know what parts it has inside this ultimate speed car jump starter power bank with compressor. Now let's move on for assembly, the fun part. Oh, and there is the LED. Closer look. Now before closing, let's see if it works. Okay. And the light. Perfect. Whether you are doing a repair, troubleshooting, or just curious about its inner working, I hope this step-by-step teardown gave you the insight you were looking for. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more teardown tutorials, tool reviews and DIY tips. Got any questions about the disassembly process or need more help? Drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep exploring, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.